Ever wondered how to transform your body and gain muscle mass? Welcome to the world of bulking up, where the aim is to add muscle mass to your frame, amplifying your strength and boosting your confidence. Bulking is a deliberate process, a strategic approach to nutrition and training that can help you achieve the muscular physique you've always admired. This video is your guide to understanding the bulking process. We'll delve into the science behind it, unravel the myths, and provide practical advice to help you get started on your journey. You'll learn about the importance of a well-planned diet, the role of consistent workouts, and the necessity of patience in seeing results. The journey to a muscular body isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, but with the right tools, knowledge, and determination, it's a race you're well-equipped to win. So, are you ready? Ready to embark on this journey to a stronger, healthier you? Before we dive into the bulking challenge, let's understand the basics. Bulking is all about building muscle, and to do this, your body needs fuel. This is where the principle of caloric surplus comes in. You need to consume more calories than your body uses in a day. These extra calories provide the energy your muscles need to grow and recover after a workout. But it's not just about eating more, the quality of your food matters too. Protein is the building block of muscle, so a high-protein diet is essential during a bulking phase. Aim to include lean meats, dairy, and plant-based proteins in your meals. And of course, there's the balance between training and nutrition. You can't build muscle without training, but you also can't out-train a bad diet. So, as you embark on this bulking journey, remember to keep these two in harmony. With these fundamentals, you are one step closer to your bulking goals. A well-planned diet forms the backbone of any successful bulking journey. Now let's get into the details of crafting that ideal meal plan to fuel your muscle growth. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that a balanced diet is key. This means your meals should be rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Why, you ask? Well, protein is the building block of muscles, and it aids in repair and growth. Carbohydrates, on the other hand, provide the energy needed for those intense workouts. And let's not forget about healthy fats, they're essential for optimal hormone production, including those involved in muscle growth. Now let's talk portion sizes. When bulking, you will need to consume more calories than your body burns. But don't get carried away. Too much of anything, even the good stuff, can lead to unwanted fat gain. So, it's a delicate balance. You want to consume just enough extra calories to fuel muscle growth without packing on too much fat. Meal planning plays a vital role in maintaining this balance. Planning your meals ensures that you're consuming the right amount of each macronutrient, protein, carbs, and fats, throughout the day. It also helps keep you on track, preventing those impromptu pizza orders or fast food runs that can derail your progress. Consider spreading your meals out over 5 or 6 small meals a day, instead of 3 large ones. This approach can help maintain constant energy levels and provide a steady supply of nutrients to your muscles. And remember, hydration is just as important. Drinking ample water aids digestion and keeps your body functioning at its best. To sum up, a great bulking diet is all about balance and planning. Incorporate a mix of protein, carbs, and healthy fats in your meals, pay attention to portion sizes, plan your meals, and drink plenty of water. And most importantly, tailor your diet to your personal needs and preferences, because there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Remember, your diet fuels your workouts and aids in muscle recovery. So, plan wisely and eat to grow. Workouts are crucial in the bulking challenge, but remember, it's quality over quantity. What does this mean? It's all about focusing on the right types of exercises, compound exercises. These are movements that engage multiple joints and muscle groups at the same time. Picture a squat or a bench press. These exercises are like the multitaskers of the workout world, helping you build more muscle in less time. But how do you structure a workout week? It's not about hitting the gym 7 days straight. That's a one-way ticket to Burnout City. Instead, aim for a balanced routine that includes both workout and rest days. Think of your workout week as a 3-course meal. Your appetizer is your warm-up, getting your body ready for what's to come. The main course? That's your strength training, where those compound exercises come into play. And for dessert, a cool down to help your body recover. Now let's talk about rest days. They're not just about lounging on the couch, although that sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Rest days are when your muscles repair themselves and grow, so don't skimp on them. In fact, make them a priority. You might be wondering, how many rest days should I have? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your body, your goals, and your level of fitness. But a good rule of thumb is to have at least 2 rest days per week. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the workout routine itself. Start with 3 to 4 workout days per week, focusing on different muscle groups each day. For example, you might do a leg day, a chest and back day, and an arms and shoulders day. Remember to include those compound exercises and don't forget to warm up and cool down. Building your workout routine is like building a house. You need a solid foundation, the right tools, and a good plan. And just like a house, it won't be built in a day. Take your time, listen to your body, and make adjustments as needed. Your workout routine should challenge you, but also allow your body to recover and grow. Patience and consistency are your best friends in this bulking journey. It's crucial to understand that achieving your muscle growth goals won't happen overnight. It's a process, a journey. Sticking to your diet and workout routines is key. Just like a river carving out a canyon, it's the repeated, consistent actions that bring about significant changes. Your body responds to the nutrients you feed it and the stress you put it under in your workouts, but it needs time to adapt and grow. Skipping meals or workout sessions may seem innocuous once or twice, but these lapses can add up and hinder your progress. So keep showing up, keep pushing, and keep fueling your body right. Patience, too, is vital. Muscle growth takes time. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about cultivating a lifestyle, not chasing a quick fix. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dream physique. Let's recap the key points of the bulking challenge. We began with understanding bulking, how it's not just about gaining weight, but doing so in a healthy, muscle-focused manner. We then moved to the planning phase, where we stressed the importance of a well-balanced diet. Remember, your diet is a critical component of this challenge and should be rich in proteins and healthy fats. Next, we tackled the workout routine. Building an effective routine is not just about lifting heavy weights, but also about focusing on different muscle groups and incorporating a balance of strength and cardio exercises. And of course, we highlighted the significance of consistency and patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dream physique be. It's a journey of perseverance, dedication, and hard work. With these steps, you are well on your way to successfully bulking up. Now, it's time to get started on your transformation journey.